Hey there, handsome.
Hi there.
Joe ain't here right now. He said for you to meet him for lunch at Freddy's.
I see.
Too bad you were passed out when I came in. We could have partied. Maybe next time, doll. Bye.
Huh. That was something.
Stupid broad!
But
Get the hell back here! If you can't drive, you should stay home where you belong!
Hey, isn't that Joe's girl over there? Well, one of them anyway.
You smacked up my car, I'm gonna smack up yours. Look at my fucking car!
Hey, pal. Knock it off.
And who the fuck are you?
Somebody who doesn't like hearing you talk to a lady like that. So why don't you shut the fuck up and leave while I'm still in a good mood, huh?
What, is she your girlfriend or something? Well, if she's not gonna pay for it, you will.
One more word, and you're gonna need a new set of teeth. Now get the fuck out of here. That was the word.
Thanks, handsome. I owe you one. Do you want to come over to my place for a piece of pie?
Yeah, thanks, but look, I really gotta get going.
You'll like it, I promise. I gotta get going now. I'll see you around.
lost. I'll leave it up to you two to decide. Henry's gonna fill you in on the rest. I'll see you guys later.
There you are.
Hey, boss.
You take care of that thing we talked about yet?
Yeah, it's all under control.
That's what you said the last time. Don't disappoint me again.
Boss,
Don't. Now come with me. We got some other business to discuss.
So, Henry, what kind of job we talking about here?
I gotta take a guy out. It's my contract, but I need some help. That's where you two come in.
Who's the lucky guy?
Some fat fuck from across the river. The guy's been warned, but he thinks he's untouchable.
And is he?
Well, somebody tried to take him out once before.
And?
Let's just say they slightly underestimated him.
How much is slightly?
Fatally.
That's a fancy way of saying they're dead, right?
Hey, they fucked up. We won't. I rented an apartment across the street from his business. We'll sit there and we'll wait till that fat fuck shows up, and then boom! We blast his ass.
How are we gonna do that?
With an MG-42.
Where are we getting an MG-42 from?
Harry.
Yeah.
He's a vet, like you. He's got a private little gun shop over in Kingston. You can get your anything from a pea shooter to a bazooka. And you don't need no fucking gun license, neither.
Okay, Joe and me will go to the apartment. You go pick up the machine gun at Harry's shop in Kingston. It's all paid for. Just tell him I sent you. After that, meet us at the apartment. It's in Sand Island, the building across from the distillery. Apartment 233.
Okay, apartment 233. Got it. I'll meet you fellas there in a bit.
All right, I'll see you later.
Good luck, pal.
Yeah, so long, buddy.
Yeah, who is it?
Henry Tomasino sent me to pick up the stuff he ordered.
Come on in.
Hello?
So, you're the guy Henry was telling me about, huh?
Yeah. You got his merchandise.
Yeah, well, here it is. MG42, made in Germany. Hitler's buzzsaw, we call her. She's a beauty. 25 pounds, 7.92 caliber, 1,200 rounds per minute, fastest in the world. 250 round belt, 3/4 of a mile effective range, and extremely reliable. I don't know what the hell you're hunting, but unless it's in a fucking tank, sayonara, baby. Hey, you need me to show you how to use it?
No, thanks. I'm familiar with him. I was in the service, too.
No shit! Wait, you kidding me? Where were you? What was it, Normandy, huh? No, Africa? Let me guess.
Operation Husky.
Yeah? What unit were you in?
504th Parachute.
No shit, you were a paratrooper? And that was kinda hairy, I heard.
Yeah, well, it wasn't no picnic, I tell you. I got hit, so they sent me home.
Yeah, any medals?
Yeah, Purple Heart and a DSC.
Whoa, wait, you got a cross? Let me tell you, they don't give those babies out for nothing. I was in Normandy. We hit Utah Beach. That wasn't no picnic neither, but... When I was crawling over the fence on the way back, I poked my eye out on a fucking tree branch. Well, hey, it was good enough for a discharge.
Look, I really gotta get going.
All right. Hey, by the way, I'm Harry.
Hey, Vito.
Hey, good to meet you, Vito. Real good. If you ever need some hardware, you know where to find me. Here you go. I hope you drove here. She's a big girl. Good luck.
Hey, thanks. Nice to meet you, Harry.
The gun's in the crate, and there's a couple thousand rounds in the van out in the yard. Take it. It's all paid for. See you around, Vito.
Where you from, Henry?
Sicily.
What brought you to the States?
Mussolini.
Will you buy your ticket?
Don't be a smartass, Joe. My father was a man of honor. Things got pretty bad for us after Mussolini came into power. My old man figured I'd either get drafted or locked up, so he sent me to America and got me a job working for Clemente.
So what happened to your father?
He said he was too old to make the trip. Mussolini had him arrested, and he died in jail. They won't even turn his body over for a proper burial.
That's rough.
So how's your English so good?
They're coming! Those black cars! Vito, aim for the fat bastard. We gotta nail him before he gets in the building. Get ready.
All right, I'm on it.
All right, showtime.
They got guns up there in that window.
That's him, Vito! Waste that fat fuck!
We got them all! Stop shooting that fucking thing! I'm going deaf over here! Back me up, Vito. All right, Vito, go, go, go. I'm back. I won't want to get on your bad side. Stay sharp, Vito.
Move it, Vito! We can't let that fat bastard get away.
Okay, you first, Vito. You're the fucking war hero.
Go, we'll cover you.
We're coming for you, Porky! Back me up, Vito. Back me up, Vito. Cover my back. I'll cover you, move it! Come out of your hole, you fucking rat! You're fucking dead! Oh, fuck! Watch out!
What the fuck is that?
Come on, let's go! Catch up! God damn it, now this whole fucking place is gonna burn to the ground. What a waste of booze. Vito, come on, huh? We gotta move. I'm gonna get you soon. Going in. It's fucking over. Cover my back. Oh God! Oh God, no! Back me up, Vito. Stay sharp, Vito. All right, Vito, go, go, go. Is that the fucking best you got? Oh, you're in trouble. showtime, Vito. Oh, that's the best you got?
Move it, Vito! You can't let that fat bastard get away. Okay, you...
We're coming for you, Porky! Going in! All right, Vito, here we go. Come out of your hole, you fuck! Oh, fuck! Watch out! Back me up, Vito.
What the fuck is that?
God damn it, now this whole fucking place is gonna burn to the ground. What a waste of booze. Vito, come on, huh? We gotta move. Back me up, Vito. All right, showtime, Vito. Okay, hit the button, Vito. Come on, we're taking the elevator.
What the hell are you doing, Joe?
What? Thirsty. Pretty good stuff. We should try it.
Drinking on the job, huh? When'd you turn Irish?
Here they come! Back me up, armies!
Shit, there's an army up there.
We'll get him.
Vito, Joe, do something! You can't just fucking sit here!
Is that the fucking best you got? Come on, let's waste these fucks. Come on, Porky's upstairs.
Vito, waste that fat
We got them all! Stop shooting that fucking thing! I'm going up over here! Back me up, Vito. All right, showtime.
Move it, Vito! We can't let that fat bastard get away.
Okay, you first, Vito. You're the fucking war hero.
We're
Coming
we'll cover
for you, Porky! Going in! All right, Vito, go! All right, showtime, Vito. You shoot like my sister. Come on, let's go! Chop, chop! Oh, fuck! Watch out! Going in! You okay? We'll get him. I got...
That's him, Vito! Waste that fat fuck!
me up, Vito. All right, Vito, go. You're fucking dead! They teach you that in the army?
Move it, Vito! You can't let that fat bastard get away.
Okay, you first, Vito.
Go,
They're
we'll
coming
cover you.
for you, Porky! Going in! Oh, fuck! Watch out! Back me up, Vito.
What the fuck is that?
You're moving! All right, Vito, here we go. God damn it, now this whole fucking place is gonna burn to the ground. What a waste of bullets. Vito, come on, huh? We gotta move. Back me up, Vito.
Oh no! No!
Showtime, Vito.
Oh God, no!
That's him, Vito! Waste that fat fuck!
You got them all! Stop shooting that fucking thing! I'm throwing guns over here! Going in!
Move it, Vito! We can't let that fat bastard get away.
Okay, you first, Vito. You're the fucking war hero.
Go, we'll cover
They're
you.
coming for you, Porky! Back me up, Vito. Come on. All right, Vito, go. All right, showtime, Vito. What are you scared, asshole? Let's go, Vito. Come out of your hole, you fucking... Oh, fuck! Watch out!
What the fuck is that?
Going in! Showtime, Vito. Shut the fuck, damn it! Now this whole fucking place is gonna burn to the ground. What a waste of bullets.
Oh no! No!
You're fucking dead!
Oh God! Oh God, no!
Back me up, Vito. All right, go. Okay, hit the
I should
button,
wait for
Vito.
Joe and Henry.
What the hell are you doing, Joe?
What? Thirsty. Pretty good stuff. We should try it.
Drinking on the job, huh? When'd you turn Irish?
Here they come! Back me up, Vito. They got guns. Showtime, Vito. Come out of your hole, you fucking rat. Come on, Porky's upstairs. Don't kill me! Please! I got a wife!
You should have thought about your wife
I'll do
before.
anything you want! Just don't kill me! For Christ's sake!
Don Clemente sends his regards.
Oh! Fuck! Fuck you! Sorry, you... Henry, you okay? Where'd he hit you?
Of course I'm not fucking okay. He shot me in the fucking leg!
Oh, yeah, it's bleeding all
Son
over
of
the
a...
place.
Get me to El Greco.
The fucking painter?
No, the fucking doctor,
Okay,
you
take it
idiot.
easy. We're gonna get you there in a minute.
The Greek guy lives up in
All right,
Highbrook.
let's get you to the car.
Oh, Marona, you're heavier than you look.
Fat fuck. He almost shot my balls off.
Take it easy. Missed him by a mile.
Hey,
No.
careful.
Please.
Fucking hurts.
I don't want to die.
Yeah, well, you can walk if you don't keep your moaning.
Leave it that Are you scared yet, boy? God damn it, I knew it. This is my 13th contract.
Gotta hurry. The fire's spreading.
What do you mean, you lucky bastard?
Oh, damn smoke.
All right. Oh, God.
Ah, fuck.
If I don't make it,
Hey, don't go saying that, pal. It's just a scratch. The doc will give you a few stitches, and then we'll all go out and celebrate.
no, really.
Shh, you shouldn't talk right now. Helps conserve your strength. I've seen that in a movie once.
Yeah? And what happened to the guy in the movie?
He died.
Vito, come on. Can't this thing go any faster?
Going as fast as I can, damn it.
Well, it ain't fast enough.
Just relax, would you?
I got a hole in my leg the size of a fucking golf ball, and you're telling me to relax? Just get me to El Greco, damn it.
Jesus, you drive like my fucking grandmother.
So, fellas, who is this guy?
What guy?
This guy taking Henry to.
El Greco? He's a doctor. Throw him a couple of bucks, he patches you up. No questions asked.
He's the guy you go see when you can't go to the hospital, genius.
Why the hell wouldn't you be able to go to the hospital?
Because you go to the hospital with a bullet in you, first thing they do is call the cops.
Yeah. So El Greco deals with a lot of guys in our line of work.
You shouldn't need to visit him, though, Vito. You've always been a quick healer. Must be your diet. Hey, Henry, you awake? Stay with me now.
Yeah.
Just hang in there, pal. We'll be at El Greco's in a minute. I can smell the souvlaki from here.
Hey, Vito, step on it. Henry sweat like a whore in church back here.
That will make me drive faster. You start the Z.
Come on, Vito. At this rate, we get there fast if we walk. Vito, there. That house. Park right in front.
You El Greco, the doctor?
No, I'm the fucking painter.
A friend needs help, or he's gonna bleed to death.
Thanks, Doc.
Good God, Henry!
We owe you one.
Get him inside. Hello, though.
Wait. I got money for you. For the job. Take it.
You know this could have waited, but thanks.
And hey, thanks for everything.
I hope you'll be okay.
Yeah, me too.
I'll stay here with Henry. Meet me in my place.
All right.
Vito, hey, how you doing?
No. I just wanted to give you the money to pay off Papa's debt.
Oh, Vito, that's great. I was gonna try and see if we could pay it back in installments. I got a little money. He wouldn't have hurt us.
Don't be so sure, but it doesn't matter now. Here, take
Where'd you get all this money, Vito? You haven't done nothing you'll be sorry for, have you?
Don't worry, everything's fine.
Thank you, Vito. Thank you.
No problem. All right, look, I better be going. I don't want Ma to see me. She'll be asking where I got the money, too.
Don't worry, I'll make something up.
All right. Give her a big kiss for
I
me,
will.
okay?
Take care of yourself, Vito.
I think you'll find the quality is well worth the price. Will that be all? Take care and come again. See you next time. Good afternoon, sir. Anything else I can do for you? I hope I satisfied you, sir.